हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अप सिंप्लीफाइड। सो आजकल पीएचडी नोटिफिकेशन बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स का निकल रहा है। सो एज यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, आई हैव लैंडेड ऑन अ स्क्रीन ऑफ आईआईटी रूरकी। सो यू कैन सी हियर दिस वेबसाइट एंड यहाँ पर जब हम जाएंगे एडमिशन्स पर, सो यू कैन सी द पीएचडी एडमिशन्स। व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दिस पेज विल गेट ओपन and you can see admission to doctoral programs, PhD admission for spring semester 25 to 26. So there are two links are given. First is for the information brochure and second is the apply online. So first you will see the information brochure. So अगर हम देखेंगे, so this is the information brochure of IIT Roorkee. PhD admissions is given spring semester 25-26. Okay, let us see this in broad way. सो अगर हम देखें पे इन लोगों ने कंटेंट दे रखा है अबाउट डॉक्टरल इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स, पीएचडी एडमिशन रिक्वायरमेंट। सो हम स्पीड से इसको एक बार गो थ्रू कर लेते हैं। लेट अस गो थ्रू दिस। सो इंट्रोडक्शन दे रखा है इन्होंने दैट इट इज़ द वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट इंजीनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस इन इंडिया एंड लोकेशन कहाँ पर है। सो इट्स ऑन द फुट हिल ऑफ हिमालयाज इन हरिद्वार डिस्ट्रिक्ट विद इन द स्टेट ऑफ उत्तराखंड। ओके, then after this campus, it's about campus is given, then about doctoral research. So if anyone who want to develop deep and broad understanding of fundamentals and state of art of knowledge in any chosen field through courses and self study, ये सारा कुछ उन्होंने दे रखा है। Coming to the important dates, that is very much important. So what are the important dates for IIT Roorkee PhD admissions? As you can see, September 24, 2025. The online application process has been started and 31st October will be the last date for filling of the application form, and January 8, that is date of academic registration by candidate in person, and 12th January the classes will be starting. So this is very much important for you. So just note down all these things, and schedule for interview and all return tests will be intimated by concerned department or center. तो यहाँ पे दे रखा है पीएचडी एडमिशन्स रिक्वायरमेंट। तो क्या क्या आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगा फॉर एडमिशन इन आईआईटी रूरकी। सो कॉमन मिनिमम एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर पीएचडी एडमिशन, एप्लीकेंट शुड पोजेस वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन। तो एक कम से कम होना चाहिए। एप्लीकेंट विथ मास्टर्स डिग्री शुड सेटिस्फाई द फॉलोइंग, दैट इज़ जनरल, ओबीसी कैटेगरी, मिनिमम एटलीस्ट क्यूमुलेटिव ग्रेड पॉइंट CGPA जो है वो 6 होना चाहिए, 10 पॉइंट स्केल या फिर 60% मार्क। SC/ST के लिए 5.5 एंड 55% मार्क्स है। एंड एनी नेशनल एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफिकेशन होना चाहिए, क्वालिफाइड इन नेशनल लेवल टेस्ट सच एज गेट, CED, जेस्ट, UGC नेट, CSIR नेट, इंक्लूडिंग लेक्चरशिप, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसरशिप, PhD only or equivalent or holding the national level fellowship. And applicants of all categories having BTech degree or MSc with CGPA of 8 and above obtained from Ministry of Education funded technical institution, requirement उनका GATE and NET जो है वो exempted है। then वही चीज़ दे रखी है यहाँ पे that you have to at least go for the CSIR net or any national level exam. Then coming to the final year जो रहेंगे वो will be completing all the requirement of the qualifying exam including back paper, supplementary, viva before the date of registration may also apply. Such candidates may be admitted provisionally, but they will be required to produce the proof of having passed the qualifying degree with the required percentage of marks within stipulated period to be decided by the institute. So if you are in your final year also you can apply. Then they have given minimum educational qualification for admission to PhD program in different department। अच्छा, सो अपने बायोटेक डिपार्टमेंट या लाइफ साइंस डिपार्टमेंट में देखते हैं व्हाट आर द मिनिमम एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन। सो यहाँ पे दे रखा है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर एंड प्लानिंग, येस। सो दिस इज़ द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायो साइंसेज एंड बायो इंजीनियरिंग। दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस। स्ट्रक्चरल एंड कंप्यूटेशनल बायोलॉजी के लिए क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मास्टर्स डिग्री इन एनी डिसिप्लिन्स ऑफ साइंस 4-year bachelor's in any related areas of biological science, biology, biotech, bioscience or related areas with biology as subject, or MBBS. Bachelor's or master's degree in engineering, pharmacy and related. Then cell and molecular का भी सेम है, मास्टर्स डिग्री होना चाहिए इन एनी ऑफ द फील्ड ऑफ बायोलॉजी. देन बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स डिग्री इन इंजीनियरिंग, MD और MS इन आयुर्वेद और M.Pharm. Then for biological engineering, that is BTech 4-year, MTech with the condition that applicant should have maths at 12th level. So this is different for biological engineering. If you are having maths in 12th class, then only you can apply in this biological engineering. Then after this, different departments are given like civil engineering, chemical engineering, chemistry, computer science, engineering, design, electronics, earthquake, earth science, electrical engineering, humanity, hydrology, hydro and renewable energy, management studies, maths, metallurgical, physics, water resources development, transport system, nanotech. So here also they have given some criteria for biotech students, like BE or MTech in, if you are doing in biotech, then you can go for this. Okay, or MSc integrated MSc या फिर MS in science engineering, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, then you can go for Center for Nanotech. Then DA, MS space science and tech, sustainable energy, Indian knowledge system. So I don't think, yes, so everything is over. So यहाँ पे सिर्फ अब दे रखा है कि क्या कैटेगरीज है और इनके रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन. अगर आप फुल टाइम रिसर्च स्कॉलर है, देन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्कॉलरशिप, फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस यू कैन गेट. So इंस्टीट्यूट असिस्टेंटशिप रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स दे रखा है. इंस्टीट्यूट में प्रोवाइड फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस इन फॉर्म ऑफ टीचिंग और रिसर्च, रेफर टू एज दिस इंस्टीट्यूट असिस्टेंटशिप. These are awarded for a period of up to 5 years. Student is expected to devote up to 10 hours per week towards job, then you will get this. Then next is externally funded research scholar. इसमें भी वैसी है, fellowship आपको मिलेगा from the institute, will not be available to the candidate who have recipient of. If you are a CSI, then you will not get this. So different scholarships have been provided. In service external research scholar. So at the time of academic registration, candidate should have experience of at least 2 years in government. तो अगर आपके पास ऐसा कुछ है, 2 year of experience है किसी गवर्नमेंट, सेमी गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, पब्लिक सेक्टर, या फिर ऐसे ही रिकग्नाइज्ड एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन में विद एन एनुअल टर्नओवर ऑफ मोर देन ₹20 crores. So they should have no, you will not get, means they are saying that with a company or with an annual turn of more than this. So part time research scholars के लिए भी है other PhD admission categories. So golden girl scheme for female applicants. So if you are a first rank holder, gold medalist female candidates in qualifying degree from any IIT or any institute or university within the top 50 rank in the NIRF in the most recent year, then the requirement of means आप national level exam qualify नहीं भी किए हो, and if you are a gold medalist from any of the IIT or any institute which is ranking top 50, then you can apply for this scholarship. Okay, you can get this. So you will get institute assistantship. Intake shall be supernumerary. Interview will be there for you. So next is so different fellowship is given. You just go through this. Opportunities for PhD students, prizes, awards, medals. Like if you are if you are getting this award, excellence in doctoral research award, then this amount will be given. And criteria is for outstanding research work in engineering, management, architecture and science stream. So each of 50,000 are to be given every year. So different awards they have given. You can go through this. Then joint doctoral degree program with universities outside India. So PhD students in consultation with their supervisor have options to enroll in joint doctoral degree program. We have agreement with the following. So these are the universities that they have tied up outside India. You can go through this, like University of Alberta, Queen's University Canada, France, okay, Asian Institute Technology Thailand. So these are, you can just visit to this link and check what are the criteria and all. Continuation of fellowship during research visit, PMRF research fellowship, so TCS research scholar program, different are given. If you want, you can go and properly read this scholarship. Matters of distribute, yes, so this is important. Instructions for online application. For admission PhD program, you have to first register and fill the online application form by this before 31st October, and before applying online, candidates are required to keep the following document ready for uploading. So these are the documents that you have to keep ready with you: color photograph, signature, your caste certificate, 10th certificate or mark sheet, 12th certificate or mark sheet, bachelor's degree or mark sheet, master's degree and experience certificate if you are having, and no objection certificate for the in-service candidate, GATE scorecard or NET scorecard fellowship award letter. Okay, then candidate if you are having certificate of first rank or gold medal issued by the institute or university, applicable only for Golden Girl scheme for females, and in case of non-availability of any of the certificate, upload an undertaking as given in Annexure 1. So these are the steps that you have to follow. First is you have to access URL, then you have to click apply online, then register or sign in. After that you have to complete your application form, you pay fees online, then download application form and note your application sequence number. That is very much important, because most of the time we forget to note this and later they ask for this and we can't provide them. So make sure that you note this application sequence number. Okay, so application fees is also very important. General category it's 500 rupees, SC/ST it's 250 rupees, and it will be online mode only. Other information are also given. Go through this. If you want, you can scan this, then contact details are given, and this is Annexure 1. Okay, so this was all about before just leaving this website, I will just tell you this also. So next link is apply online. So if you will click on this, so this page will open. This is the registration portal. First you have to click on this register new account, and then after that you have to log in, and further you can fill your application form. So this was all about IIT Roorkee PhD admission program. Thank you.